Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to use custom crosshair in Valorant. First, let's open up our browser and in the search panel, type Valorant crosshair. Now select the first website. And in this website, you can see a lot of custom crosshairs and you can just copy and paste any one of them. For this video, we will select the windmill crosshair. Let's click copy code and then let's go to Valorant. So now in Valorant, let's go to the crosshair tab and click on import profile. Now right click and paste and click on import. This will import the custom crosshair into our game. We can further edit the crosshair by going into the primary tab and selecting any of these options. For this video, I'll just change the color of the crosshair and continue. As you can see, I have the windmill crosshair. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.